Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. We've got a project that we need to add some little thin strips onto. Jeannie and I were discussing it the other day, and she said, yeah, it's too bad that they're such thin strips because then we wouldn't be able to use the T-square cutter. And I got thinking about that, and I realized that I had figured out how to use a T-square cutter to cut smaller pieces. You know, anything under an inch is very difficult to cut with one of these. So I'm going to show you how to cut using this cutter, and I've got it set to 1 inch. So now I dip in the oil. This is a baby food jar lid. Pretty stable, it doesn't tip over. Now I've just spread some oil, I haven't been scoring, and now I score, and that was 1 inch. Okay, now that is my 1 inch spacer that I've just made, and so now I slide my glass up to the spacer. Now I can set my T-square. I need it to be 7/16, so I count up to 8/16 and then I back it to the 7. See, and then I tighten it. So it's set at 1 7/16, but this 1 inch holds it away. And there it is. That's a 7/16 inch piece of glass, and I was able to cut it with the strip cutter. So I'm going to be able to make many of these to be able to fix the window that I'm working on. And there you have it. That's how you can use your strip cutter to cut less than 1 inch pieces of glass. This has been David in the Stained Glass Studio, and I hope that that was of some use to you. See you next time.